This is Anne LePan of Shooting Star Astrology with the astrological forecast for today, Monday, November 24th. It's going to be an interesting day to observe people's behavior. Both Mercury and Venus will be passing by stars that will cast their individual effect over the day. Venus's influence can cause us to become obsessive about our possessions and our relationships with others. Another thing to watch for is that in the quest to create harmony throughout the course of the day today, people may become insensitive to those who don't share their visions. This is the effect of Mercury passing by the star of the constellation Centaurus. The archer sometimes shoots before he thinks. The word of the day is sort. Our abilities to organize our surroundings are enhanced today. The color of the day is blackberry. It's black, lightened by a dab of purple. Let's attract the heightened aptitudes of the day to ourselves by wearing something in the color blackberry. Tomorrow's color will be the red sanguine. Explore ShootingStarAstrology.com. Learn more about your sun sign and your Venus sign. This is Anne LePan reminding you that astrology offers guidance, but only you make your own choices. Enjoy the day.